Now, one of the latest additions to the Robinhood app is the retirement accounts, and you're going to view those by going back to the main section of the investing app and then clicking on the middle button here to open up the window here for Robinhood retirement accounts. Robinhood offers different types of IRAs, including the Roth and traditional IRA, and in addition to that, they offer an unheard of incentive of matching your contributions to your IRA account, and this is similar to a 401k that has a company match, for example. As you can see here, anyone with a basic Robinhood account can get a 1% match on any amount of money that they contribute to their IRA, and you will also get this amount if you transfer an existing retirement account over to Robinhood. And if you wanted to open up a Robinhood IRA, you would simply click on the Get Started button here at the bottom, choose either a Roth or traditional IRA, and then go through those account opening steps. Now, for the Roth IRA, it mentions the different income limitations and withdrawal rules, so you'll want to familiarize yourself with that. I do have a full video on Roth IRA investing that I'll put in the corner if you want to learn more about that. Now, as mentioned, the Robinhood IRA comes with a 1% match, but if you are a Robinhood Gold member, which is their premium service that we're going to talk about shortly, they actually increase that to a 3% match on your contributions. So for example, if you open up a Roth IRA and contribute the maximum of $7,000 for those who are under 50 years old, you would either get a $70 match at the 1% level or a $210 match at the 3% level if you have Robinhood Gold. With a Robinhood retirement account, you can either pick and choose your own investments like I've been showing you so far, or they offer pre-built portfolios that you can invest in that mean you don't have to do any manual selection of your investments.